Track 60, Unit 7B.
On the whole, most of us eat a pretty balanced diet. A mixture of fruits, vegetables, grains, meat and fish, eggs and dairy foods. Diet fashions come and go. The protein diet, the grapefruit diet, the starving 2 days a week diet, and so on. But for the most part, we're used to eating a range of foods. It's true that in poorer regions of the world, people eat less meat and more grains and vegetables, and in richer parts, more meat and sugary foods, and more fatty food. But everyone at least aims to have some kind of balance. And that's why I was so intrigued to read recently about the traditional diet of the indigenous people of northern Alaska, who are sometimes collectively known as the Eskimo. Historically, the Eskimo didn't used to have a so-called balanced diet at all. Because of sub-zero temperatures and a lack of plant life, these Alaska natives had to survive on what they could hunt and fish close to home. They would hunt seal and walrus and reindeer, and then they'd cook their meat in seal oil. Sometimes they'd eat frozen fish, and when times were really hard in winter, they used to eat whale skin and blubber, which, by the way, I'm told is like chewing car tires. But how could a diet of just meat and fat possibly be healthy? Well, according to Harold Draper, an expert in nutrition, there's no such thing as essential foods, only essential nutrients. And there's not only one way to get those nutrients. In the West, we have got used to eating certain foods in order to get each nutrient. For example, we usually eat fruit to get more vitamin C, and dairy products for calcium and vitamin D. But during the long winters, the Eskimo found the nutrients and vitamins they needed from their diet of fish and wild animal meat. As to the large amount of fat they consumed, it was a healthier kind of fat, not the saturated fats that cause people in the West so many health problems these days. In fact, heart conditions among people on a traditional Eskimo diet used to be about half the number in the wider population of North America. I say used to because nowadays a lot of the indigenous population live close to towns and eat more processed food, pizza, fries and fizzy drinks, and unfortunately with this has come a rise in obesity, diabetes and heart conditions.